In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate clips in CapCut. So this is specifically for the CapCut app compared to the CapCut on your computer or your PC. So what you want to do is go to CapCut, open up a project, and let's select a piece of this clip that I want to duplicate. So I'm just going to trim off a section here. So I'm going to make sure that the clip is selected, and at the very bottom, I'll hit split. And then I'll choose another point and hit split again. So what we're going to do is choose that specific clip that we split apart and go to the bottom and toggle all the way to the left until you see where it says duplicate. Here it is. And we're going to duplicate it, and that clip is going to be right next to the clip that you duplicated. So you'll have two copies right next to each other. So I'll hit duplicate, and now you have two copies. So if I scroll through here, you'll be able to see the same clip twice. And that's it. That's how you duplicate clips in your CapCut mobile app. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.